keep doing this.
Good morning, or what it actually is. Good afternoon. I have had a long, shitty week. I'm not really a vlogging type person, but I decided for some reason today that I didn't feel like just sitting down to film, so I thought maybe I'd take you guys through my day. I have a lot that I have to do at home. I have a lot that I have to do outside of home. And I have to work tonight at 11. So it is currently 2:45 in the afternoon. So welcome to my morning. Usually when I get up, I have coffee with my boyfriend and then we watch an episode of whatever show we're watching before he has to go to work. We've already done that. If you couldn't tell by the clip, we are currently watching Santa Clarita Diet, and oh my god, it is the funniest fucking show. If you do not watch it, if you have not watched it, do it, because it is amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have a quick shower and then we'll do a little getting ready montage and figure out my day. Say you want me out of your life and I'm just a dead man walking tonight. A home for a living when I couldn't make a killing. Just take her home and you'll feel better. Keep telling me that it gets better. Sometimes I feel like giving up. No medicine is strong enough. Someone help me. It isn't in my blood. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Lead into hesitation. Wanna go outside? Hey, good boy. Go, baby. Go, baby. Buddy. Apparently, somebody doesn't want to be outside when he thought he did. Proper winter attire. Okay, come on, honey. I can't win. That literally fell down when I was on my way outside. Fuck. What doing, honey? He usually goes and sits on this heater after being outside, but it's not turned on, so he's super sad. Aren't you, baby? Okay, so now that all that is taken care of, curtains back up. Dog realizes he doesn't want to be outside. I am gonna go and run some errands before I lose all will to leave the house. Isn't that beautiful? So before I go anywhere, I gotta plug in my heated seat because I don't have heated seats built in, so I had to buy one. It's pretty great. Let's go get some coffee.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I just get a large iced coffee?
That's everything?
Yep.
$2.61. Come on up.
Thank you. struggle is real. Okay, so I'm all done at the grocery store and literally nothing exciting happened to me today, and this is why I don't vlog. Same shit, different day, people. I got super lazy when I got there. I was looking at the meats and was like, I don't really know if I want to cook tonight, you know? Instead of getting something that required any actual effort, I got this stuff because it was on sale for $6 hairs. And then I just got a loaf of fresh baked bread to go with it because carbs. So now that I'm done actually like running around and being outside of my house where I really don't want to be on a day I have to work, I'm going to head inside. I really have to figure out what the hell I'm doing with my life today because I have so much I need to do, and because I'm working an overnight tonight, I have like no time to do anything tomorrow between when I get up and when I have to work again. So I need to clean up my house and finish wrapping my Christmas presents because nobody has been allowed upstairs. I have just everybody's shit laying around on the floor in my beauty room. So I have to remedy that because it's getting to the point where the child is ready to just kick down the door and break into the upstairs altogether. She's going insane not being able to get in that room. Fuck. Things.
Hi, honey, I'm home. Hi, honey, I'm home. What's up, mister?
Yes, she's in here, and yes, she's freaking out because I'm touching her cage, God forbid. So that's done. Yay! It's play with Winston time. He's crazy. He's crazy. He's crazy. Go get it. Man, I love him. I mean, it smells pretty good for frozen crap.
Beauty Warrior glitter shadow, and this is in Bullet. And this one is much more watery in terms of the consistency.
It's YouTube
It
time.
does have glitter
Sorry,
moves
Rachel.
around a lot.
That's not the worst place to pause it, really. Well, I finished cleaning the kitchen and I did my brushes, and now I'm super fucking lazy. And now I'm just kind of hanging out with this guy and watching some YouTubes, getting caught up on some stuff. Oh, and I just posted a video. I just finished putting up my nail art video. Go check out the Vlogmas playlist if you want to see that. It's very, very nice. Very, very quick little 3-minute video for you. So I'm going to get back to YouTube.
It's time for snuggles before work, eh, baby? Yes. Puppy snuggles. Snuggle to puppy.
Alright. I have done everything that I was supposed to, short of finishing upstairs stuff. So I guess I'm not doing that with any of you guys today. That'll be a tomorrow job. Although I'm not gonna lie, this whole vlog thing made me actually feel like I should probably do stuff, and I definitely did more than I would have had I not been vlogging. I think I gotta call it a day. I'm about to start getting ready for work. This is it, guys. This is pretty much what I do at least 2 days out of the week. This is my life. Tomorrow I'll be sleeping all day. If I have enough time before work, I'll get my upstairs stuff done. But I think I'm gonna take Winston out and hit the road, get some more coffee, and go sit at a desk all night. So I'm gonna leave you here at my home. Thanks for watching me wash dishes. What else are vlogs for? I don't know. I don't watch vlogs. And this is the first one I've ever done. So let me know how that went. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and also if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. I'm not a vlog channel, so you're welcome. And we'll see you in the next not vlog.